Simple Inventions Using Recycled Materials showcases creative and innovative inventions made from recycled materials. The video presents a series of do-it-yourself DIY projects that demonstrate how everyday items can be repurposed and transformed into useful and practical inventions. The video features a variety of recycled materials, such as plastic bottles, cardboard boxes, old CDs, and more. The presenter demonstrates step-by-step instructions on how to create these inventions, making it easy for viewers to follow along and try the projects themselves. Each invention is presented in a simple and accessible manner, making it suitable for people of all ages and skill levels. The presenter provides practical tips and tricks, as well as creative ideas on how to repurpose and upcycle materials that might otherwise be discarded. The video not only promotes creativity and innovation, but also highlights the importance of recycling and repurposing materials to reduce waste and promote sustainability. It encourages viewers to think creatively about how they can repurpose everyday items and contribute to environmental conservation efforts. The video is both informative and inspiring, showcasing how simple inventions can be made from recycled materials with a little bit of creativity and imagination. It serves as a source of inspiration for DIY enthusiasts, educators, and anyone interested in sustainable living and repurposing materials in a creative way. In summary, 6 Simple Inventions Using Recycled Materials is an engaging YouTube video that showcases innovative and practical inventions made from recycled materials. It promotes creativity, sustainability, and the importance of repurposing materials to reduce waste. Get ready to be inspired by these creative DIY projects that demonstrate how everyday items can be transformed into something useful and meaningful. What's your favorite simple invention made from recycled materials? Share in the comments below and let us know how you've repurposed everyday items to create something useful and innovative. I would like to take a moment to highlight the importance of simple inventions using recycled materials. As showcased in this video, recycling and repurposing everyday items can have a significant positive impact on our environment by reducing waste and promoting sustainability. The creativity and innovation demonstrated in this video are truly commendable. These simple inventions not only provide practical solutions to everyday challenges, but also inspire others to think creatively and contribute to environmental conservation efforts. I encourage all viewers to consider how they can incorporate sustainable practices into their daily lives by repurposing materials and creating simple inventions. Whether it's turning plastic bottles into planters, using cardboard boxes to create storage solutions, or repurposing old CDs into unique decorations, every small effort counts in making a positive impact on our planet. I invite you to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Let's continue to inspire and encourage each other to find innovative ways to reduce waste and promote sustainability through simple inventions using recycled materials. Thank you for your attention, and let's continue to work towards a greener, more sustainable future.